Okay, chapter 16, no, chapter 14, question 16. Student is asked to solve this equation, which is log base 2x minus a half log 2x plus 1 equals 1. Okay, the student has done this, identify the error made. Okay, so they've got log 2 base x, they've taken minus a half, so they've put it as a square root up there of x plus 1. Looks alright on the face of it. They have then taken the log of both sides, or raised to the power 2, I suppose, 2 to the power, yeah, which is giving you 2. And they have then come down and done that. I get the impression that maybe I don't like the fact that they have taken the log of two things. So they have went with the log of 2x minus the log of 2x plus 1, which they then have square rooted. That's okay. And then at this point, they raised everything to the power 2. But what they should have done is raised all of this to the power 2. To put it simpler, they should have divided here. Because you've got two logs that are being taken away, this should have got written as log 2x divided by the square root of x plus 1 equals 1. And now that you've got a single log on the left hand side, you can now raise it to the power 2, but not for that side, because doing it leaves just x over root x plus 1, which equals 2 to the power 1, like they did, and then you can continue with the solve as normal, which is part B of the question, so we might as well carry on with it. So multiplying out over there, we end up with x equals 2 times the square root of x plus 1. And I think we divide by that 2 as well. So x over 2 is equal to the square root of x plus 1. Now we square both sides, giving us x squared over 4 is equal to x plus 1, meaning we have 0 is equal to x minus x squared over 4 plus x plus 1, and so x is equal to, grab a calculator, put it into a polynomial solver for now. Polynomial solving, there we are. What's that? Minus a quarter. 1 and 1. Don't know what the roots are on this. Yeah, not very nice. X is equal to 2 plus 2 root 2, and presumably 2 minus 2 root 2. So the mistake is up here, and the mistake is that you can't raise individual terms to the power 2. You have to raise it all. Okay. What they should have done, just to be clear about this, is they should have done 2 to the power log 2x minus log 2 square root x plus 1 equals 2 to the power 1. That is allowed, but the alternative that they went for of doing it individually is not. Okay, Okay, so with that done, 2 logs, 2 minus 2 times that's going to give us a negative answer. So that's like minus 0.82, and this one is 4.8. Now, because we would be taking the logs of them, the log of a minus number is kind of awkward to sort out, because if we have the log 2 of a minus 0.8, you can't do it. So we are going to disregard this one. So this is answer 2 plus 2 root 2.